पुढे पुढे हो साहेब. बस रहा है स्टार्टच करू नये त्यांनी चौकस मसाला कमला कटा है अनकट अगली रहा हाँ थोड़ा एक स्टेप आगे आने का
इसे भी बना दो इसे भी बनाया
ये रेडी कर दो हो गया हम लोग
तो बुड्ढा हुआ बराबर है
रिलेटेड बर्थडे कुछ केक भी नहीं
मैं नहीं था मैं आज ही
मेरा फोटो आता है घूम रहे थे
क्या मरे यार मेरा टेंशन खराब हुआ है तो
अच्छा घूमते हैं सीआईडी को बोल दो
तर बिपिन ने नरत बिपिन ने बिपिन ने मुझे शेप झाला हो रहा है
असेच ती हालत आहे म्हणून असे तुम्ही दोघं जण कपड़ा बहुत बहुत व्हिडिओ घातल्या हां इकडे मग पाठी राहा त्याचं कसं ना बाहेर लागतं
त्यांना फ्री असं सांग रे
करूया तू फ्री असता हां मंगळसूत्र आबूच जाणार पैसे पण मिळाले किती सफर आहे त्यांना इथून सप्ताह झाला मग सर सप्ताह झाला मग ना काय हा वयस नाही पंच
ग्रुप डान्स ना
झालो तो ना सांगवाना झालो म्हणून शॉर्ट टाइम झालो
नेक्स्ट टाइम अजून असं मग 26 जानेवारी
सांगा की बाहेर नाच नका येतले कमला असं हां एक फोटो घ्या सर सर एक फोटो यस सर सर
सर आयज तुमचे आयज पंचायत महोत्सव ओपन जाला ते कितें सांगू शकता
हांव इल्लोसो इल्लेशे पयलां वयर वयतकच आनी जायते पळोवपाचें आसा. मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यांत हांवें परवानगी दिल्ली आख्खे गोंयांत प्रत्येक पंचायतीन 60 वर्सां जेन्ना आमकां भरता कितें प्रगती केला, कितें थिंगा लोक करता, आमच्यो बायलो महिला सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रूप कितले मुखार पावला, कितें कितें ते करता हें सगळें लोकांकूय कोंडी बिक्री करपा खातीर आनी खास करून मुर्मुगांव म्हाजे सगळे पंचायत एक जाले आनी तेणी सांगलें आमी एक कडेन महोत्सव करता आनी खरें बरे रितीन तेणी हो घडोवन हाडलेलो आसा. तुमी भायर पयला स्टॉल काय बरे स्टॉल्स घातला आनी कशे तरेतरेचे सगळे तेंचे ओन प्रॉडक्ट आसा. आतां क्रिसमस सिजन आसा, थिंगा नेवरी म्हण नाका, बाकीचे दोजोल म्हण नाका, बेबिंका म्हण नाका, भात म्हण नाका, बातीक जे आमी म्हणटा असले सुद्दां प्रॉडक्ट करपी आमच्यो बायलो एकॉर्डिंग टू द सिजन म्हणजे दे आर वेल वर्स्ड इन कुकींग. मागीर दुसरे मास्क करपी आसा, पिकल आसा, खंयचे आयटम खावपाचें थिंगा ना तें कोणें सांगचें म्हणल्यार जाता. हे भाशेन इतले बरे प्रमाणान केल्ले आसा. हें आमी मुद्दम केलां तांकां एनकरेज करपाक आनी आमचे पंचायतीनूय वॉट एवर डेवलपमेंट दे हॅव डन तांकां एकमेका कडेन डिस्कस करून आमकोणी कितें केलां तें लोकांक दाखोवपाक मेळटा. स्टेटीन कितें केलां, सरकारा तर्फेनूय कितें जालां ऑटोमॅटीक हायलायट जाता आनी ताका लागून हो महोत्सव आमी घडोवन हाडलेलो आसा. आय थिंक ऑल 11 पंचायत 10 पंचायत from Mormugao block all have participated in a very big way. So I congratulate all the sarpanches, the deputy sarpanches as well as the panches. इतलो इंटरेस्ट घेवन तेणी बरे भाशेने घडोवन हाडलो.
Sir, for the first time it has been a path-breaking initiative that all the 10 panchayats have come together. Any more initiatives that are coming up?
The initiative is taken not only for these 10 panchayats but for whole of Goa. All panchayats are doing it because they have made it mandatory to do something. Because see, in the with the excuse of 60 years celebration, they also get a chance to come forward, showcase what they have done, what they will do in the future. People also interact, they will also give their suggestion, and हे भाशेन बरें काम जायत रावता. आतां मुर्मुगांव तालुका needs to be congratulated because I am also the minister from Mormugao taluka, so naturally they will do better than anybody else. As you know, ह्याच दिसांनी हांव कितलेशे आमचे TPT plants in the process of being set up, have been set up, whether it is Chicalim, whether it is Kottalim, whether it is Bogmalo, whether it is Savande, Old Goa, whole of Sange, whole of Goa आणि 2 कडेन करपाचे आसा वेज नागोंडा एंड पैंगीण हे भाशेन सगळे कडेन आमी करीत आसा आख्ख्या गोंयांत. पूण मॅक्सिमम आय बिलीव चॅरिटी बिगिन्स एट होम. वी हॅव टू टेक द लीड. मुर्मुगांव तालुका अँड ऑल माय सरपंचीज आर व्हेरी गुड हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल. दे आर ऑल्सो वॉन्टिंग टू डू इट फास्ट. सो एटलीस्ट इन मुर्मुगांव कचऱ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम आमी सॉल्व करतले. ड्राय आनी वेट गार्बेज सेग्रिगेट करून हे जे TPT डायजेस्टर आसा तितून वेट गार्बेज वयतली. इट वील बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू गुड मॅन्युअर and maybe later on we will convert it into electricity. So this is the whole aim of that.
Sir, a lot of leaders have been joining the BJP, but today for the first time a BJP MLA has resigned. Alina Saldana has resigned. What do you want to say on that?
I have nothing much to comment, but everybody has got an individual freedom. As you yourself have said, so many people have joined BJP because they feel that is the future, and perhaps those who feel there is no future here, it is individual freedom. You can always migrate somewhere else.
But the charges that she has leveled that some statements have been made and all that. You think that is anything that you want to say in that, sir?
That is a matter of making statements when you are already quitting. Had those been made earlier in party forums, in other forums, then it would have had some value. Now you can make any allegation. What value it has?
So for last time the BJP had won all the 4 seats in Mormugao Taluka with Alina going. Do you think it will make any differences to the party for the Mormugao Taluka?
In fact, we are more sure of getting all 4 seats now. I can say with all the emphasis, BJP will get all the 4 seats now, because last time I had a very difficult time helping her out to get elected. The whole of Sankwal knows how much I worked overtime, even the constituency knows. So this time around we'll get all the 4 seats. I have no doubt, absolutely.
Any particular candidate that the party is zeroing on, sir, as of now?
That is party's job. That is not my job about candidates. My job is to make candidates win.
Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
who will be probable for Chicalim now? Who will be probable for Chicalim?
There is a process in the party. So party will throw out a right person at the right time. There is still time, no?
Anybody from your camp, sir? Anybody from your camp?
My camp is BJP camp.
No, sir.
So there is nothing like from my camp.
Okay, sir.